Hello viewers, I have been using iPhone 17 for a couple of days and I am getting excellent battery life on this smartphone. I have changed some settings and by changing those settings I am getting an SOT of 8 hours to 9 hours. I have shot this video on Thursday at 11:35 am. I charged my iPhone 17 up to 93% on Wednesday at 10:58 am. And I got around 7 hours 48 minutes. On a single charge, still 18% battery is left. The first setting that I have changed is going into background app refresh. You don't need all the apps to run in the background. It will drain lot of batteries. So you can turn off it completely or you can individually turn on and turn off the background app refresh. You can see that I have unchecked all the apps except few apps. I want these apps to run in the background. You can change your settings. The second settings is in the notification. Go into notification and turn off notification for all those apps which you don't want to get notification. You don't need notification from all apps, so turn off those notifications which you don't want actually. The unnecessary notification will drain out your battery. The next setting is very important. Enter into privacy and security. After that, click on location services. In this location services, you have to uncheck few apps. I have already done it. You can use these methods by pausing the video. You can do that and then enter into system services and then uncheck these boxes and you will get great battery life and head down, and after that uncheck these three settings. You don't need them actually. It will drain a lot of batteries. The last three location services drain out a lot of batteries. Next setting is that if you don't use Siri too much, you should turn off Hey Siri option. This process will conserve a lot of battery and you will get very good battery life out of your iPhone. In my case, I use Hey Siri very often, so I have kept it on. You can turn on or turn off according to your usage. If you use your iPhone indoors, in that case you can turn on dark mode to conserve the battery. As it is an AMOLED exterior display, it will conserve battery in darker themes. Also, you can use any darker wallpaper to conserve battery life. Towards the evening I use darker themes and at daylight I use lighter wallpaper. I think you will also get great battery life if you do so. The next important setting is turn off the always on display. If you turn off the always on display, you will get around 15 to 30 minutes extra battery life. So go into display and settings and then just turn off this always on display option. I don't use always on display on iPhone, so I am getting very good battery life. So these are some settings that you need to change to have a very good battery life on your iPhone. Do let me know in the comment sections below if you have followed these steps or not. Feel free to ask me if you have any questions regarding this iPhone 17. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.